Hi, I'm Shivam Sinha, and I head the talent acquisition for Prionne Business Services and its subsidiary Cloudtail India Private Limited. Prionne is a joint venture of Amazon and Catamaran, and it primarily operates in the e-commerce and retail space. Overall, I have around 12 years of experience, equally between HR business partner and talent acquisition roles, and I've done my MBA from XLRI. We hire a lot of talent from Premier B schools for our roles in sales, account management, category management, and finance. And typically, the competition for this talent pool is intense. People who know about us apply through our career page, through the referrals, etc. However, there's a large talent pool who is looking for roles that we can offer but are not aware about us. And that is where showcase page comes into picture. It helps us convey the information about the organization in a very crisp and a clean manner. Especially in an age where the attention span is less than 20 seconds, it is still able to go ahead and convey the message and ensure that people retain some of that. That I think is the primary USP of Showcase. What we have observed is that after launching Showcase, our relevancy of applications, which is evident in selection ratios, as well as the number of hires through this portal, both have increased, and that definitely is a positive side. My advice to potential users is use Showcase page to one, drive your employer value proposition, two, drive the branding of your organization, and three, improve your return on investment on iimjobs, both in terms of cost per hire as well as effort per hire. Thank you.